Hey, what's going on? Adam Shelton, and welcome to my YouTube channel. You know what time it is? It is time for another video to give you excellent content on this beautiful day. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel below. There should be a button there. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if this is your first time. Show me some likes, comments, and share this message, this video message, and go ahead and hit the notification bell because that way you'll be alert. When you see a video just like this, you'll start smiling and happy just like I am today. Now today, guys, we're going to talk about affiliate marketing, step-by-step guides, some things you need to know before you start affiliate marketing business, work from home, online business, home business, all that jazz. And the biggest thing I've seen, and I can be attesting to it, I'm transparent on these videos, is that when I first started affiliate marketing, one, I didn't know what a niche was. I was saying the word niche. I was saying niche. I was saying the word completely wrong. I wasn't saying niche. So you need a niche, a profitable niche to go ahead and follow to. And I did a video past this before about the 3 most profitable niches out there. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and watch that video. It is powerful. It's exciting. So the biggest thing on affiliate marketing step-by-step guide is finding a niche. Now I have a dry erase board here because I want to teach you and show you exactly what you need to be following even before you even start a home-based business affiliate marketing, especially for beginners. So the first thing you want to do is find a niche. Now the 3 of the most profitable niches out there is health, wealth, and dating relationships. I'll repeat that again. It's health, wealth, and dating relationships. So make sure you're in the affiliate program or affiliate offer that has this. And more importantly, make sure you get the coaching and the mentorship in these affiliate programs. So I don't have that here, but definitely find a niche and then get the proper training in that niche. That way you can go ahead and start your own home-based business. So that's number 1. And number 2 on the list here, you need some type of platform, like video. YouTube is an excellent platform to go ahead and talk about your offers, branding yourself. You can do a lot of different things of having a video channel just like this. So on your YouTube channel, so I've already got my niche. Let's say I'm in the health niche. So if I'm in a health niche, I'm going to do videos about health and fitness of how people can get healthy with a particular product or service. That's what I'm going to be talking about. If I'm in a wealth niche, I'm going to be talking about how they can make money from home by going ahead and following this particular affiliate program. Now you getting it? You getting it now? So that's exactly what that is. So you need some type of platform. Other platforms you can do blogs. Blog is a good platform. If you like to write, it's a really good passionate writer. Blogs is a really good platform. Emails, a great platform. Video is a good platform. So there's a couple of platforms that you can follow and just make sure you're feeling comfortable. You know, but affiliate marketing is all about being uncomfortable. So video, man, I would suggest you to look at video because people love video, right? You want to see the face and everything. You want to do the video to go ahead and show your products. So that's what I have so far. So number 3, you gotta have an email list, some type of subscription list. So obviously you need to get leads and followers. They'll go ahead and see your offer, to see you as a person. So building a list is like building your business. You need a list. You know, like my mentors tell me, it's not just in the list, it's how you engage in the list. It's how you follow up in the list. So let's say I'm selling a particular product and about 10 people have signed up for my offer, but they have not, went ahead and became a customer. That way I need to go ahead and follow up with them. I can do video follow-up, or obviously I can do emails. I can send them a list of emails for them. For y'all can see this. I can send a list of emails to them on a daily basis about my offer, not just about my offer, about good positive content to get them in a positive mood, get them to go ahead to learn more about me and my services, and then that will turn to a lead to a customer. Building relationship. Remember, guys, write this down. Marketing is all about building relationship. It's communication. Building relationship is all about communication. My mentors have taught me that very, very well. It's all about communication. Marketing is communication. building positive relationships. So you definitely want to build an email list to build relationship with that list, with those customers. That way they can go ahead and buy from you, which is important as well. So on the next on the list is call to action offers. Call to action. So whatever your affiliate offer is, you want to make sure you pitch that. You definitely cannot be afraid of going for the sale. When I first started out, in affiliate marketing, I didn't understand exactly what that was. So I had a different mindset in terms of like the pitch, but now it's almost like you need to pitch your offer, because you could be doing a disservice to your customers if you're not giving them the opportunity to see what you have. So you can definitely do a disservice to them. So you want to go ahead and illustrate a nice pitch to them. Go ahead and explain to the product, give them the positive value of why they should, and you're there every step of the way, So your call to action is basically your offer, whatever you offer to that customer. So if you're in the wealth niche, you want to give them an affiliate marketing offer to your link, so they can go ahead and join your team or that particular product or service. Just like the health niche and just like the dating relationship niche, you want to go ahead and so they can join your service, or they're selling your own product to that particular customer. So I always think like this, guys. Is not guys, but you, is that you want to be able to give value to your customers. You get good value to your customer, you got a customer for life. And that's what it's all about, relationships and communication. So those are the 4 things I got here, guys. Step by step, affiliate marketing 101 for beginners. This is even good for intermediates, as well, to follow a guide, a step-by-step guide. I need to get a niche first. I need to find a niche. Then with that niche, I need to get the right training with that niche. Training. I'm going to write training on here. Then training. You need training. I'm going to write training when you get there. So find a niche and then training. Find a niche, go to training. Then you need a platform. You need a platform. Email platform, blogging platform, video, something to get your branding out there. Who are you? You want to illustrate who you are in some type of way. My platform, I love video, so video is one of my platforms that I prefer to do. Email and video are 2 of my platforms about myself and my business. But this is about you. You need to find what's your platform in your business. And so building an email list is important. You want to build an audience. You want to build an audience, and you want to be able to communicate with that audience on an everyday basis. And right there, and also a call to action offer. What are you selling? What are you offering to your customers or your potential customers? Because like I said before, you can give them a disservice if you're not giving them what they need, right? So those are the 4 things I got, guys. Below this video here, I do have a link to my affiliate program. Hey, remember? Affiliate program. Down below this video, I do have a link under my for my affiliate program. You can go and sign up and be part of a great offer that I'm offering you today. I have an affiliate program, a 7-day free trial. Go ahead and check it out. It's a link right below here as well. And when you build an email list, I also have an email autoresponder as well. I'll have that link below this as well. You can start a free trial with that as well, guys, because I want to help you start your online business the right way on a step-by-step guide. That's all I got, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if this is your first time. Go ahead and leave me some comments and likes and share this video, especially if somebody needs to know this message. I'll see you guys in the next video. You know what time it is. It is time to close out. I'll see you guys on the next video.